So students, in today's class we will learn divisibility rules. Test for divisibility of numbers. So in this, first of all we will study divisibility by 2. So what is the rule for divisibility by 2? If the number ends with 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0, it is divisible by 2. For example 28, 54, 96. In these numbers you can see these are all, this number is ended in 8, this in 4, this in 6. So if the unit digit is 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0 in any number, then that number is divisible by 2. So divisible means when you divide this 28, 54, 96 by 2, you will get remainder 0. Okay. Now divisibility by 3. What is the divisibility by 3 rule? If the sum of the digits of any number is divisible by 3, then that number is divisible by 3. Means the sum of the digits should be divisible by 3. For example, in this 429, do the sum of the digits. 4 plus 2 plus 9 will be what? 15. Now check whether 15 is divisible by 3 or not. So when you divide 15 by 3, you will get 5. Means it is divisible. Remainder is coming 0. So therefore 429 is divisible by 3. Sum of the digits should be divisible by 3 in this case. In divisibility by 3 rule. Okay. Some more example we can take, like 729. So do the sum of the digit. 7 plus 2 plus 9. So 7 plus 2 plus 9 is what? 7 plus 2 9, and 9 plus 9 18. Is it 18 divisible by 3? Yes, 3 6 are 18. Therefore 729 is also divisible by 3. Okay. Now the next one, divisibility by 4. If the last two digits of any number are divisible by 4, then that number is divisible by 4. Okay. First of all, so here you can see one example, 628. In 628, the last two digits is 28. See the last two digit here, it is 28. This last two digit. So we have to check this last two digits should be divisible by 4. So 28 is divisible by 4. We know that 4 sevens are 28. Therefore 628 is also divisible by 4. Okay. Now next, divisibility by 5. If the last digit, if the digit in the ones place or unit place of a number is 5 or 0, then it is divisible by 5. What is the condition of divisibility by 5? That the ones place digit should be 5 or 0. Example, you can see 95 ends in 5, so 95 is divisible by 5. Example 2, 680 ends in 0, therefore 680 is divisible by 5. Okay. Now the next, divisibility by 6. If a number is divisible by 2 and 3 both, then that number is divisible by 6. What is the condition for divisibility by 6? That the number should be divisible by 2 and 3 both. So two conditions we have to check in this. So we will take one example, 246. So first of all we will check whether this number 246 is divisible by 2 or not. So clearly it is divisible by 2 because its last digit is 6. Earlier we have studied that if the last digit is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 in any number, then that number is divisible by 2. So here the last digit is 6, therefore 246 is divisible by 2 as it ends with 6. Now we have to check for 3. And what was the rule for 3? That the sum of the digits should be divisible by 3. So do the sum of the digits, 2 plus 4 plus 6. So what will get? 12. So 12 is divisible by 3, we know. 3 fours are 12. Therefore we can say that 246 is divisible by 3 also. Why? Because sum of the digit is divisible by 3. So this number 246 is divisible by 2 and 3 both. Therefore 246 is divisible by 6 also. Okay. Now we will learn divisibility by 8. A number is divisible by 8 if the number formed by its last 3 digits is divisible by 8. Here in this case, the last 3 digits should be divisible by 8. What was the? It is same as 4. The only difference is in the case of 4, we are checking the last 2 digits. Whereas in the case of 8, we are checking the last 3 digits. So here you can see the last 3 digits, 544, is divisible by 8. How it is divisible by 8? The remainder is coming 0. When you will divide 544 by 8, so 8 6 are 48. So 14 minus 8 will be 6, and this 4 minus 4 will be 0. This 4 will come down, it will be 64. Now 8 8s are 64. So remainder is 0. So now we can see here the remainder is 0. Therefore we can say that the last 3 digit is divisible by 8. And if the last 3 digit of any number is divisible by 8, that means the full complete number is also divisible by 8. Okay. Okay, now divisibility by 9. Divisibility by 9 rule is same as that of divisibility by 3 rule. Here also we have to check whether the sum of the digit is divisible by 9 or not. Okay. So take one example here, 42,471. Now do the sum of the digits. 4 plus 2 plus 4 plus 7 plus 1 is equal to 18. Now you can see 18 is divisible by 9. Therefore 42,471 is also divisible by 9. Now the divisibility by 10 rule. Divisibility by 10. A number is divisible by 10 if it ends with a 0. Means in the unit place 0 should be there, then only the number is divisible by 10. Example 1570. Here the last digit is 0. Therefore 1570 is divisible by 10. Now the divisibility by 11 rule. Divisibility by 11 rule. We have to check, we have to see the alternate numbers here. Okay. So first of all, understand what are the alternate numbers. Here 4 and 7 are alternate numbers, and 2 and 9 are alternate numbers. So the rule says a number is divisible by 11 if the difference of the sum of the alternate digit is 0 or a multiple of 11. Multiple of 11 means it should come in the table of 11. So here you can see 4 and 7 alternate are the alternate numbers. Their sum is what? 11. 9 and 2 are also alternate numbers. Their sum is what? 11. So the difference of the sum of the alternate digit. Difference we have to find out. Okay. Whose difference? Sum of the alternate digits. So sum of the alternate digit is 11 and 11. So 11 minus 11 is what? 0. So if the difference is coming 0 or a multiple of 11, then the number will be divisible by 11. So therefore here the difference is coming 0. So we can say that 9724 is divisible by 11. Okay. So example number 2 we can see here 45,958. Now what are the alternate numbers in it? 8, 9 and 4 are alternate to each other, whereas 5 and this 5 are alternate to each other. Now next step is what? We have to calculate the sum of the alternate numbers. So sum of the alternate number, that is 4 plus 9 plus 8 is 21, and these two alternate numbers 5 and 5 plus 5 10. Now their difference we have to calculate, means 21 minus 10. So the difference is coming 11. So according to the rule, if the difference is coming 0 or the multiple of 11, then the number is divisible by 11. So here the difference is multiple of 11. 11 ones are 11. Therefore we can set that 45,958 is divisible by 11. Okay. So that's all. Thank you.